everyone. Hi, God's son, angel in your family. Bless you.
இருந்தாலும் வாழ்க உன்னிதயம் அமைதியில் வாழ்க மஞ்சள் வளத்துடன் வாழ்க உன் மங்கள குங்குமம் வாழ்க 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 எங்கிருந்தாலும் வாழ்க. Happy birthday Gidechi, many happy returns of the day. Keep continuing spreading the goodness and cheerfulness around you as always. God bless you. From your one and only sister-in-law.
Hi Gee, happy morning. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day. I think you're too young, only 52, right? You're my only chubby, yummy, rasgulla childhood friend since LKG, and we continue this now and also forever. You are a good well-wisher, close to my heart, supportive, always stand out for me. You are always empathetic too. You are a great inspiration to me in many ways, and I always admire your bold attitude wherein you stand out and talk out for your friends boldly, and your language of adiye, mavale, all those things are very admirable and very close to the heart. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Happy to be a part of your extended family as a sister. Be happy, be bold, be like this always. Happy birthday.
ஹாய் கீதா, ஹாய், ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே டு யூ. நீங்கள் வந்து என்னோட அயர்ன் லேடி ஆஃப் த குரூப் யா. அதனால் என்ன சொல்கிறது, அயர்ன் லேடி ஆஃப் த குரூப்னா யூனோ த வே யூ மேனேஜ் ஆல்தோ யூ ட்ராவல் ஸோ மச் அண்ட் யூ பின் வித் இன்னொரு லொக்கேஷனில் என்ன அப்படியே பக்காவாக வீட்டில் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் ஆர்கெஸ்ட்ரேட் பண்ணி எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு. ஸோ இட் ஜஸ்ட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ரிமைண்ட்ஸ் மீ ஆஃப் தட் பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் ஏபிள் டு மானிட்டர் திங்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் அ லாங் டைம். அதனால நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து அயர்ன் லேடி அப்படின்னு இந்த சமயத்தில் உங்களுக்கு டப் பண்ணி ஒரு பட்டம் கொடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஹாவ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் பர்த்டே, அ கிரேட் டைம் and loads of fun and lot of quiet time as well as you enjoy this time. Stay safe during this lockdown period. Mwah.
Happy birthday Geeta auntie.
Hi Geeta, very happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Have a good time.
Many happy returns of the day to my best friend and sister Geeta. May you have a great year ahead.
Hi Geeta, many happy returns. உனக்கு நிறைய ஆசீர்வாதங்கள் அண்ட் லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் லவ். நீ லைஃப்பில் சந்தோஷமாக எப்போதும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும், அதுதான் அம்மாவோட ஆசை.
Hi Vijay, many more happy returns of the day. You know, if I have to use one single word to define our friendship or define our relationship, I would say that you have been my conscience keeper ever since we met. You know, one thing makes me wonder, from the time we left the school and I came away to Chennai and I accidentally met you somewhere in Alvarpet, in one of the streets of Alvarpet, and we exchanged a few conversations for less than a minute, and I was sure that you passed me off as some creep who was roaming around in the road, to the point where today we have become so much part and parcel of the family, and to become my conscience keeper. I think God has His own ways of sending people into our life. I'm really very much blessed and thankful to have a friend like you, and I hope our friendship continues forever. And once again wish you a very happy birthday and God bless you.
Years ahead, have a wonderful day. Wish you good health, loads of happiness and success in everything. And then you have such an amazing qualities, Geet. You are so kind-hearted person, loving person. You are generous in nature. You go out of the way to help people, and you are too outspoken. All these things I really attracted me so much, and you always pamper me so much. Look at my size. I have whatever sweets you send, fruits, எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு எப்படி ஆயிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. So I am very lucky to have you, Geet. Then I would like to sing a song for you, but a separate video I will send. There is because I have to give chance for others also to send their wishes, birthday wishes to you. So I'll sing a song for you in a separate video. Okay? Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Geeta. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Geeta. God bless you.
Take care and stay safe.
Happy birthday, Geeta. God bless you. We are ready for your party.
Hey Geeta, happy birthday. Have a nice time. Have a lovely year ahead. Enjoy the time. I hope this pandemic is not making you any sadder. Love you loads. Have a lovely, lovely year ahead. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi Geetaka, happy birthday to you.
Hi birthday girl, many more happy returns of the day. As usual, கெத்தா இருங்க, ஹாப்பியா இருங்க, ஃபன் பண்ணுங்க. Loads of wishes, Geeta.
Hi, Geeta. Hi. கேட்கலையா உனக்கு கேக்குதா? Happy birthday, Geeta. Have a lovely day. May God bless you with many, many more. Friends like
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Geeta. Happy birthday to you.
பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் கீதா மேம். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Take it.
God bless you immensely.
Happy birthday, Geeta.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Stay blessed. And don't forget to eat that extra piece of cake for me too. I hope it's chocolate cake. Yeah.
It's a happy birthday. May you live to be 103. It's a happy birthday. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Geeta. God bless you with abundance of good health, wealth, peace, prosperity, and may He grant you all that your heart's desires. Lots of love and hugs and kisses. Hope you are safe. Stay well. Look after yourself. Eat well. Rest well. And have a fantabulous day with your very, very gorgeous family. Lots of love from Fee. Bye.
Happy birthday, Geeta. Many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. Whatever your wish, whatever your dreams, everything should come true. You're an iron lady, and may you have a very good health, peace, and prosperity. Happy birthday, dear iron lady. Be bold and be courage as usual. You're an inspiration to so many of us. God bless you.
how are you? Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. 2020 we can't forget, so have a great year ahead.
This is Shivakumar from Gurugram. Good morning, madam. Wishing you a many more happy returns of the day. God bless you with good wealth and health. Have a great year ahead and enjoy the day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hi Geeta, many happy returns of the day. May all your wishes come true. God bless you, dear. Bye.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. God bless you. நிறைய பேருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறீங்க. எல்லாம் இந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்போட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸை வந்து நிறைய உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து நாங்கள் நிறைய கற்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். We are very happy to be your friends. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you. பெஸ்ட் திங் நீங்கள் அங்கே ராஜஸ்தானில் மாட்டிக்காமல் எப்படியோ சம்வே மேனேஜ் பண்ணி இங்கே வந்துட்டீங்க. ஃபேமிலியோட நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். கிரேட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. பாய். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஒன்ஸ் அகேன்.
Happy birthday, Geeta auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Geeta. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Bye.
See you soon, Geeta. Have fun. We are thinking about you. Take care. Have a good rest of the day.
Hi Geeta, this is Yasmin. many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. God bless.
Happy birthday, Geeta auntie.
Happy birthday, Geeta. How are you? Happy birthday. We are not seeing you a long time, so come soon to Bombay so we can meet. God bless
How are
you.
you? Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a lovely year ahead. Hope to see you soon. I'm not sure when we'll be able to come back to Delhi, but hope that we meet again and very, very soon. In the meantime, you have fun and have a great day. Love to you and love to your whole family. Take care.
Hi
Love you.
Geeta, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I'm so glad that we have stayed friends all these years, and it's just like family, like I have back in Chennai, that I have since all these years. And I'm so glad of all the places in the whole world you chose R.K. Khanna and Associates, and here we are 31 years later. You are 52 now. You know, we have a whole pack of cards to ourselves, and in 2 years we'll have jokers also. So that was just funny. Also, I wanted to say that I have so many wonderful memories. I can't even name all of them, but I think the best one that I have is going to the Taj with you in 2015, and the one that we went to Shirdi in 1989 when we actually met. So I'm so blessed to have you in my life, and I wish you the best on this beautiful day, and a happy birthday, and hope to see you soon.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. My fondest memory was when we went to the Taj Mahal and went to Delhi and stayed in your house and had all that good food. So hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.
Geeta, many more happy returns of the day. Have a great year along with COVID. Enjoy your day and enjoy your day with your friends, relatives, everyone, especially with your husband. Take care.
Hey Geeta, happy birthday. I just wish you and your full family are safe in this time of emergency. And it's been such a long time since we've met, but I really wish to see you soon. I'm going to take your number from Rekha, and then we can always keep in touch. And I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have lots of fun, stay safe, be happy, and I miss you a lot.
Do you remember me? Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Geeta auntie, you obviously don't know me. I am Mariam's younger daughter Nikita. We have never met before, and I just wish you a very happy and a safe birthday. I hope you all are safe at home, and I hope you enjoy a lot. Have a good day.
Hey Geeta, that's me again. I'm sure you got a good surprise by seeing me and my little family. Shivali is not here. Remember Shivali, the little baby which you played with years back? Like, she's 24, and this was Nikita, she's about 20. So it's really great being on the video, though I can't see you on the video, but definitely we'll be in touch, and I can definitely see you sometime. Let's hope to see each other soon. Bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great birthday. God bless, and give my regards to your full family. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye bye. See you.
Hi Geeta, it's Una. Happy birthday from New Jersey. Hope everybody's keeping well over there these crazy times. Hope you managed to have a good celebration anyway, and hopefully we'll see each other again sometime, somewhere in the future. Best wishes. Have a great time.
ஒன்று பார்த்து நீ நம்ம வீட்டு பொண்ணு நம்ம பார்க்காத எனக்கு என்னவோ போல இருக்கு. உடம்பு ஹெல்த்தியாக இருக்கணும், நீ நல்லபடியாக இருக்கணும், குழந்தைகளோட நல்லா ஆரோக்கியமாக இருக்கணும். God bless you, ma.
Hi Geeta, happy birthday. Don't worry, I will not ask your age. I know age is only a number. And first of all, thanks to Kane. Because of that only we got your friendship, and it went for a very long period, and that's a memorable lot of trips we had during those days, unforgettable days, which includes all our Edinburgh trip, Ooty, everything is so we enjoyed like anything. And from attitude wise, the best thing what I see in you is the helping tendency. நீங்கள் வந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் த வே யூ யூஸ் டு கோ அண்ட் ஹெல்ப் மெனி பீப்புள். ஸோ தட் வாஸ் அ ஃபண்டாஸ்டிக் attitude. And another quality what I would like to tell you is your perseverance. நாங்கள்லாம் பொறுமை எழுந்து ஓடி வந்துட்டோம் கீனோட்டில், பட் ஸ்டில் யூ ஆர் கண்டினியூ வித் கெயின். அண்ட் your leadership quality is amazing, your perseverance is amazing. I think these qualities the current generation should learn from you, and you are the best example for it. And enjoy your fabulous day, and wishing you many more happy years of celebration like this. Enjoy your day.
நூறாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க,
கீதா கீதா கீதா,
நோய் நொடி இல்லாமல் வளர்க,
கீதா கீதா கீதா,
நூறாண்டு அரசி புகழ் போலே,
கீதா கீதா கீதா,
உலகாண்ட புலவி தமிழ் போலே,
கீதா கீதா கீதா,
நூறாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க, நோய் நொடி இல்லாமல் வளர்க, ஊராண்ட அரசி புகழ் போலே, உலகாண்ட புலவி தமிழ் போலே, நூறாண்டு காலம் வாழ்க.
கொடையும் ஒரு 2 மாதம், மழை கொடுக்கும் கொடையும் ஒரு 3 மாதம்,
பசு வழங்கும் கொடையும் ஒரு 4 மாதம்,
கொடைவல்லல் கீதாவிற்கோ நாளும் மாதம், கொடைவல்லல் கீதாவிற்கோ நாளும் மாதம். கீதா நரேன் குடும்பம் இன்று போல் என்றென்றும் வாழையடி வாழையாக ஆரோக்கியமாய்
ஆரோக்கியம் ஐஸ்வர்யத்துடன் தழைத்து வாழ
எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனை பிரார்த்திக்கிறோம்.
Loads of love and blessings to you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hello Geeta, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, enjoy your day, have a wonderful year ahead. Please send us a return gift.
எல்லாருக்கும் நிறைய செய்கிறீங்க, இதே மாதிரி செய்கிற மாதிரி கை நல்லா ஓங்கி இருக்கட்டும் எப்பயுமே. எங்களோட விஷஸ் ஃபார் யூ, நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க.
Take care and be safe.
Happy birthday. உனக்கும் என்னோட குடும்பத்துக்கும் என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம்.
It's Una. Happy birthday from New Jersey. Hope everybody's keeping well over there in these crazy times. Hope you managed to have a good celebration anyway, and hopefully we'll see each other again sometime, somewhere in the future. Best wishes. Have a great time.
जन्मदिनमिदम् अविप्रियसखे जन्मदिनमिदम् अविप्रियसखे सन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् सन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् प्रार्थयामहे भवसतायुषी प्रार्थयामहे भवसतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणां कीर्तिमञ्जय पुण्यकर्मणां कीर्तिमञ्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जन्मदिनमिदं Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday dear Geeta aunty Happy birthday to you May God bless you May God bless you Happy birthday